wish I was good to you. Not gonna lie, that shit should have been muted, but hey, you win some, you lose some. Well, there goes that stream. Going before it even started. Well, bro, I was listening to everything. I had to get that. You could probably hear it. Bro, it's cause it's mic. The wire, it's like weird. Since it's a long wire, you know how they don't be as good. And it'll like turn it off. So when it turns it off, what the fuck? Not play with it. I just gotta leave it where it is right now. But the thing is, it was muted, but it then messed up and turned off, and then turned back on, and then it wasn't muted. So, hey, well, no monetization today for this stream. Fuck it. They're gonna copyright my ass. It's already done. Already done. All right, we got all the cams up. I'm just gonna hold runners. All right, let's see what we can get. All right, I'm about to move my mic a little bit. Hopefully this shit don't fuck up. I think we're good. You can still hear me, bro? You hear me, bro? Hold on. Do I hear y'all boys? I don't know if I'm the one who just fucked up or was. Talk real quick. I'm just trying to fix your audio. That's all.
Yeah. You're bullish or you're bearish on the market today?
Overall, I'm bullish.
I'm bearish.
I would like to see bullish, especially with Makai. If his bearish trade keeps playing out, it should lead bullishness for this also. And like Kel said, this could potentially be the low of the week. I see why, but keep in mind what higher time frames look like. I was already bullish. We just had another bearish day, and now we're at 12,000 too. Cleared these lows, tapped into this area, fib long, cleared the weekly low. Going into the middle of the week, what's today? Wednesday. I think we can get a nice little reversal, even if it's not long term. I would like to see price get a reversal. Overall bullish reversal at least. So what I'm thinking is price could potentially keep pushing from where it is, but in my opinion, I would rather see price run these lows before going higher. That's me personally, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull a fib from the previous day's low to this high, and it already had a retracement. So you know what? I might have to change my bias now. I might have to reevaluate, waiting to get that low clear now. Okay. Because we had the retracement I was already going to look for. So that changes things. So Asian session high, ran. Let me see. Let me also pull a fib from the previous day's high to the previous day's low to get an idea where price is going to retrace to. Look at that. It's just already off guesses.
Yeah, that's where I got my fib drawn too.
Something like this. So as of right now, price could potentially just continue to trend, and I just won't get an entry, and then it is what it is. Or price is going to have a drop, and I'm going to wait for some lows to get cleared for me to then go long. But also let me keep in mind where I am price-wise. We have this 12,000 level right here. So now you got to keep in mind, are you going to want to wait for a retracement that might not potentially happen, or am I going to want to get in somewhere around 12,000? 12,000 is probably going to be the best area, but then where would stop loss be? More than likely, I'll keep it below this low.
Asian session highs right there and then just go down. It doesn't even gotta go up to.
Already got the Asian highs. Asian highs was cleared on London.
Well, then are those the London highs?
Yeah, this is London right here.
London highs.
Well, pre New York, late London. It's like that weird time period, like in the middle. I just count that as pre-market. I don't trade that shit. But yeah, those highs got cleared.
Last night it had a little dip too, which
Yeah,
was
it does
weird.
sometimes because yesterday was just a trending day overall. It was just bearish. It does that sometimes. It's not always,
Like
but
the manipulators are stepping into the market now, bro, for that because election time is also coming up.
it's just all moving the same, bro. It's all the same, to be honest. All this shit I've seen it before. That's why I kind of just take it day by day. It's all the same patterns, just showing itself on a different time frame.
I mean, even if it crashes, it's gonna be the same patterns. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So I'm just taking it day by day. The same thing we're already doing. Just leaving runners. But yeah, based off higher time frame like this daily, this could end up closing a doji. But in my opinion, I think we already made the low, considering that we already cleared the previous day's candles low. Boom, made the low, and now we're in this area hovering above 12,000. I think there's a good chance we'll stay above. That's just me. And if this does play out, then Makai's trade should continue going bearish. Which everyone
Oh yeah,
eats.
that would be a hurt piece from a car.
So if both of them are looking good, I could see both these trades happening. Don't know when, but that's ideally what I'm going to look for. So if I don't get a retracement and it just keeps flying, then no trade for me. But ideally, I might just wait for a retracement down to this 12,000 level and just hold from 12,000, just safest entry. But a stop loss probably below this London low for about 38, 40 points. Or if I want to be safe, all the way down here for about 60. But risk reward wise, I would only begin about a little bit more than a 1 to 2. So I don't know. I'll see.
Yeah.
But as of right now, I'm just waiting.
It's still
That's
early.
my bias as of right now, ideally.
When you dropping this next podcast?
I'm gonna record it Friday with Chinaman.
Oh, all right.
Yes, sir.
Chinaman.
But yeah, that's my analysis right now. We're gonna see what happens.
Bro, my broker is giving me problems logging in,
like
bro.
in like 2 minutes or maybe even 5-10. I gotta go do something real quick. I'll be back in like 5-6 minutes. But I'm gonna leave it all up.
Bro, what broker are you using right now, bro?
FCMO.
You're using Osprey?
I use FCMO, but if I use like a live account, it'll probably be Osprey. But I don't really use it as much, to be honest with you. I would rather link them than individual. I don't like having to individually trade two things. It'd be annoying because you don't catch the same entry a lot of the time.
Yeah,
it's not as efficient.
It's just wasting energy, bro. You'd rather just put it in one account.
If it's linked, then it's way different because I'm just doing the same thing anyway. It's just taking it for me, so it's automated, which is way better. But overall, I just try to use one account.
Osprey's just been bugging on me.
I would have to be fast to be doing two accounts, trying to catch the same trades. Or just have both my phones, but then I'm going to be sitting here fiending like, okay.
Yo, you'd have to be real fast. Yeah, you got to wait for it to load, so that shit could just be against you.
You said what?
You got to wait for the shit to load, too, whenever you change accounts.
So it's just like, nah, I'd rather stick to one individually. What other levels do we have? We have 12,200 up here. 12,800 all the way down here. So it's like we're just 900 right below these lows. And we got 100 right by the 62%. Alright, yeah. I could see it. I want to see bullishness ideally. How it's going to present itself could come in a few ways. We could end up dropping even lower again for all I know before going higher. Or we could even just have this push straight up, never retrace, or we could come a little bit lower again. Have a deeper push. I don't know. A lot could happen. I just know what I want to see longer term. As of right now, it's still early, so I'm just waiting to see what happens.
This is the first time we broke below 12K in a while.
Let's see what US30's doing.
It just reacted the equilibrium of that push right there. I don't know if they even check the news.
11,100 to 31,000. Yeah, we gonna see. I'm gonna see if this level holds on NAS. If not, then
yeah, there's news at 10 o'clock too.
There is. That could lead to reversal signs.
Somebody's speaking.
What might happen then is we might keep dropping for now. Maybe clear these lows and get the push if we get a push. But at that point, I don't know. It depends what time that all happens. Now we gonna see. Only time will tell. Worst comes to worst, I take nothing, and I sit here and
Which is very unlike you.
So what?
Which is very unlike you, nigga. You be making that shit happen even if it's not there.
Yeah, lately I just been on some cool shit, bro. I ain't, cause I'm about to move again in a week.
I hear you.
To the other crib, so it's just like I'm just taking it slow. I'm just chilling while I am.
Yeah, until you get back in the new spot and you reset up.
I'm just moving fast. I just rather focus on content. Like trading, I've been cooling. I'm still on it every day doing my thing. But when I do trade, it's like I'll do some fuck shit. So it's like, all right, I'm just taking it cool. So when I'm at the crib and I got the lease for 13 months stacked there, because I got to get all the new furniture. I'm gonna have to like create a new podcast set.
You're about to be spending more money again.
Podcast set is what I have to create now. Like everything, furniture. I have to do the couch. Got to get the table.
Yeah.
I'll move all that stuff.
How long you want to stay in Tampa for?
Probably until the lease is over, and then I'm gonna see. But I'm probably gonna try to get another crib while I have my lease in Miami.
Yeah.
And own both, and then try to Airbnb them while I'm moving back and back. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I hear what you're saying. I was gonna be looking into cribs in Philly because they can get really dirt cheap, bro. Like I already know, like seen a few around for like 30K whole ass cribs. If you just build that up, put 20K work into it, that's a whole flip.
Nah, real shit. I'm gonna have to get into real estate flipping. I ain't gonna lie. Not flipping, but just real estate overall. Since I got some money for it, I just gotta
real estate is the game, bro. It's always been. We're gonna have our hands in every basket, bro.
Yo, I went to look at a house to buy it this weekend for Airbnb, a cabin in Prescott, Arizona. And we went and sent in our offer. We were the first one to do it, essentially. But they waited for other offers to come in, and there's a bunch of people at the open house.
Yeah, I figured.
Some guy came in. Some guy came in and did a cash offer.
I'd be scared to even trade before the news come out.
So they had it for $559 listed. The dude came in, cash offer $620,000. There was just no way I could compete. We could compete with that at that point.
Look the same.
Yeah, bro. They be acting crazy nowadays. I figured that was gonna get swooped up, Martin. I could just tell. Just from how it was. It was a good property.
It was nice. It was on 2 acres too, bro. We were gonna make like a little hiking trail for like guests when they stay and shit. So that was just planning we didn't need to do.
Hey, now you know. Yeah, right now, I don't think this is gonna be the main push right here. It could, but the volume it has, I don't really think it is. It's alright. Not the best conditions, but it's better than yesterday in my opinion. Let me just set up US30. Better. Yeah, I don't know. What you feeling right now about this market today? What you feeling?
London continuation, 79% fib retracement, 15-minute order block or 30-minute order block. Take out those lows that were just created, that liquidity, and then go for a long.
Yeah, that's something I would want to see happen, ideally.
Is that Martin?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, Limo got me in on a trade yesterday night, and we caught that fucking the low at Asian session, and I did too. But because I got nervous, I just took 1% off. As soon as I got the TP1, I just scaled out, and
Yeah.
that fool's like, I'm
Shit.
going to sleep. If it hits my TP, it hits my TP, and I'm all right. That fool woke up and he was like, it hit my TP.
No, that nigga's crazy. He be taking trades at all times of day.
Facts. He be wildin'. He be on the go.
Yeah.
He on the move.
I literally just be anxious the whole time if I took a trade that late. Just because the volatility is so slow.
Yeah, it's not my ideal time to trade at all. Yeah, we're just trending right now. We'll see what happens. We still got 10 minutes to the open.
Hello?
Yo.
All right. I had to leave and come back.
Oh, wow. We got the whole gang here now. What's up, gang? What's up, guys? The mystery bunch. Yeah, we pushing right now. Yeah, I don't know. Right now, I might just have to wait until we get a deeper retracement. Or if we push high enough by 10 o'clock, I might be able to look for potential shorts. But are we going to push that far in about 40 minutes? We could, but I wouldn't bet on it. Because we do got news at 10. So that's why I'm looking for potential reversal signs at that time.
Yeah, the time to trade is really looking like 10.
Mm-hmm. I need me a Hellcat. How much is that Hellcat, Jenner? You're Jenner? On my That should go out. Oh man, slow day so far. So far, nothing's happening. That's really spiking interest. Yo, Cal,
Man,
how you liking the market right now?
look, personally, it may end up being bearish.
Bearish. I want to see. I want to see what happens.
Retail sentiment strong still. Everything's still kind of red.
Shit, we gonna see.
But, I
Right
mean,
now, if we
no,
get a
it's-
drop, I might look to be long after we clear the lows. But if we just keep pushing, if we get to, I say, 12,100 around this area around 10 o'clock, we got that news, there might be a chance we get a reversal. But I'm gonna see
that's
right
actually
now.
where I had a sell limit at
Hey, look at that.
from yesterday.
There you go. Double confluence now. But yeah, something like that. But I don't know if we'll get to there by 10. It's possible with the open, but you never know. That's a big distance.
Yeah, I just woke up. I didn't get the analysis. I just hopped straight on this.
Yeah, it's about
Oh,
115 points.
But, bro,
To about
When are you and Makai
60.
doing those Zoom jumps?
shoot, we can do them whenever. If anybody wants to stay on after the lives or just whenever. We didn't go into great detail, but
Because I fuck with that idea. I fuck with talking about trading with other niggas. I don't got nobody around here that be on my time.
That's the reason I
yeah,
created
you
it.
know,
That's the reason I made the whole thing. Shit, because I was just saying, well,
Yeah.
I have nobody. Like Magic
It was
Jenner.
literally just Andre, no cap.
It was just me,
literally-
and then I was like I was telling you like to learn stuff, but I was already ahead of you, so it was like it was only,
He was.
so I had to let you
He-
learn at your own speed.
He told me about ICT when I was still trading like support and resistances, and I was like, I don't know, man.
I was like,
And
listen,
when I
bro,
started
just watch it,
learning that,
and I'll talk to you, bro.
yeah, I started watching it, and I was like, oh, all right, this nigga's sturdy.
Yeah, because then if I would have been doing all that with you, you weren't taking breaks too. You weren't 100%.
Yeah, I wasn't
there.
consistent back then. I wasn't consistent.
That's why I created the whole community, because now it's like people around. You know what I'm saying?
yeah, you see other
Same
people
shit.
doing it.
Because not even just trading all the time. It's just having the people too. Shit, you never know.
Yeah.
Some people might not, especially because I started this during like pandemic. That's why pandemic times. We have nobody, bro. We had no communication.
Nah, that nigga was locked in during the pandemic, bro.
I have no friends. So I was
I
like,
bet.
all right, it's time
Bro,
to.
I'm not gonna
no
lie. I
friends.
used to try and get that nigga out the house. He would not be for it.
I don't even remember, bro. Pandemic was just a blur.
I feel you.
I was just, I don't know. I did the same thing, I think, the whole time. So it was like, damn. I don't think
Man,
I
just
remember
back
anything.
tested and working.
Real shit. The same shit every day, bro. That's when I started smoking. That's when life just. That's probably why. That's when I started
Nah,
smoking.
you was
crazy,
smoking
too.
at Chick-fil-A, wasn't you?
Not to the extent consistently that I was 2021,
I got you.
2022.
You
You get
started
what I'm
really
saying?
smoking.
Like I say Chick-fil-A because I was still high school. So it was like I would do it here and there.
Oh yeah, you're right.
But
bro.
that was towards the end of it though. Because remember, that's when I left. That's when I scraped, bro. When I started smoking, that's when I scraped. You peep?
We def was in high school. That's crazy.
Yeah, because Pete, bro, right when I started smoking at Chick-fil-A, that's when I scraped.
Bro, I never forget when this nigga called me and told me he was quitting, bro. It was the funniest shit ever,
Tell him.
bro. Because the manager, he told the manager not to put him on every day of the week.
Here,
And
let
that
me
nigga did
do like the
exactly
backstory.
that, bro.
Let me put
This
the
nigga
backstory.
Andre called me with a blunt and a hand on his head, bro. He was like, he's like, bro, I'm not coming in tomorrow. I was like, yeah.
Because mind you, look at it. Get in my shoes, Cal.
No,
I
I understood,
look.
bro.
I was like 15. No, I was like 16, 17, 16. No, 16. 16. I was driving. I had to go to work after school. I got out of school at 2. I started work at 3. Right? It's already 40 minutes away. I'm going straight after school.
Damn.
It's not 40.
It's no, but from where my school is, bro. I had no car either.
Yeah,
Bus,
yeah.
bus,
Oh,
bro.
that's shot.
Bus from my school all the way to Ben Salem. Imagine that, Jenner.
You went to Northeast?
No, I went to New Foundations next to Lincoln.
Ooh, yeah, that's
Exactly. So I went all the way far to work there. Then they would have me closing. So I would be there until 11,
In high
11:30.
school?
Really Ariel dumbass, bro.
Yeah, bro. And mind you, I was
That's
cool with
against labor laws.
bro.
nigga.
I was cool. I was cool with closing at least like 3 nights. They put me every day of the week. Mind you, I get off at 11:30. Gotta wait for someone to come pick me up. Go home, go to sleep, to wake up, to go to school, to do it 5 days in a row at 16 with
He was
no
already
car.
on day trader time.
Bro, exactly.
No, but I remember him telling the manager, bro, like, yo, I can't do it. Like, I can't do every day next week. Like, I got shit to do. And he really did that shit.
I was
every
like,
day
all right,
next
bro.
week.
I was like, bro, I was cool with like 3 days. Like maybe could have did the Friday, but it's like, bro, you did every single day. It's like, damn, bro.
Yeah,
I'm gonna say this.
I would have
Any
quit.
job I've ever had, the niggas try to put me on, I tell them no, I quit. I'm gonna say
Hey.
fuck them.
I did it for a while too. I was nice because Chick-fil-A was thorough. That was the only reason. Chick-fil-A was just a cool spot. You said what?
You was trapping out that John.
Yeah, that's what they get. That's what they
Had the
get,
carts in the backpack.
bro. Oh
I
my
feel you.
god,
I was trapping at Cheesecake once upon a time.
bro. Oh my god, that was crazy, bro. Now that I remember, what was that guy's name? The Mexican, bro. He was my boy. That was my guy from Day. Remember Dayside? He had a kid. He was like 19, bro. Bro. Oh my god, he was a bit, bro.
Oh, we got 1 minute.
I remember one time they came to my crib and copped up.
Did y'all hear me at all just then?
Nah.
My internet is geeking. But yeah, Chick-fil-A was the time.
No, good time. I don't regret it. That's where I met Meech. I'm still cool with Meech.
Yeah. Like, that's where I met you.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, no cap. That's where I met you too.
Mm-hmm.
I forgot, bro. I feel like I met you before that.
It do feel like we've been friends for longer. I don't know why.
I mean, that is a while. High school. That's already. Damn, if it does feel longer, that's not that long. It's probably maybe like 5, 6 years.
2 or 3 years.
Nah, it's not 2, 3. We've been out of high school for 2, 3.
Yeah, you're right. So maybe like
It's probably 4 or 5.
I honestly didn't even think it was that long.
Yeah, it's up
Yeah,
there. I guess.
hey,
Yeah.
after high school, that should be going by fast as fuck.
It's 20.
Like
It's about to be 2023.
Damn, bro, I known you for that long.
Yeah, like 2018, 2019.
Ew, I was really drawn in.
Cause I worked at Chick-fil-A for like a year, so I might have even met you a little bit sooner.
Yeah, because then I worked there. You was there before me, I'm pretty sure, and then I came.
I worked there when it first opened. I was one of the first starters.
Oh, you was one of them boys.
Starters.
Okay.
Oh, he was not.
Cause it was a brand new spot. That's why I was thorough, bro. It was clean, everything.
Because the nigga was
Nice,
going
all
around
the
to high
above.
schools and shit, bro. He was wilding. He was going to high schools and shit, trying to get niggas to sign up for his store, bro. He's crazy for that. I'm not gonna lie. Like, yo, type literally. Like, he was having a whole presentation, like, come work at the Chick-fil-A.
Nah, bro. He smart businessman. Smart man.
For real. He get. But bro, I heard those
Smart man,
Chick-fil-A's,
bro. He had
get
me
profit.
going crazy. He had me going crazy, bro. That's why he bought a Suburban in 2 weeks after opening. He bought a Suburban and a house. I was like, damn, bro.
Nah, real shit. He did get a crib. It got a nice crib.
Oh yeah, we pushing. This is the open. Yeah.
Let me check.
Right now it's looking like I'm probably just gonna have to wait for a potential short, if that. But it's not looking like anything right now.
Yeah, I'm overall bearish today.
I think I'm sticking with my Bears.
We're pushing high enough. I'm thinking, where are you looking at price wise, to short up? I'm thinking like to 120 or like this high.
12, 1, like 50-ish.
Yeah, 140, 150. That's ideally what I want to see happen.
My 7.9's on 154.
Damn. See, when I said it, Jenner, I was like, time to reevaluate, because I was like, this retracement already happened. Look at that.
Yeah.
12,000 would have been a good entry if I got in on the retracement, but it is what it is.
Just chilling.
Yeah, I ain't worried about it. Always another day.
For us, bro, it's until we die, bro. We gonna be making this money.
That's why I'm just like chilling, bro. I really came to the conclusion, bro. Since I don't work, bro, I really sat there on my balcony. I was like, bro, what am I supposed to do? I have nothing like I have no real scheduled plans for the rest of my life. Now that I'm really thinking about it, like nothing, bro. I was like, damn, I got a long time. You said what?
Get into a hands-on business, bro. Start building.
Yeah. Oh yeah, nah. I'm gonna just buy some more cars and become a mechanic on them.
Hey, bro,
give me something to do.
Hey, do something.
Hey, and then I'm gonna start a rally racing. And then I'm gonna start underground racing.
Hey, I'm trying to race.
Oh yeah, underground racing.
You ain't here. I've been saying that since I was a jet. Like that's what I'm trying to do.
Bro, I like cars. Like I want to have like the things where when you can have like what was that guy Randy Savage?
Andre, you know how to drive manual?
Nope.
Learn.
I'm gonna get a manual Hellcat.
I was about to say, if you want to learn how to have fun in cars, bro, get a manual, bro.
All right, I'm gonna get a manual Hellcat. That's gonna be my first manual.
Bro, them Johns are scary, bro. I seen them on the road, bro. Oh my god.
Bro, I'm blowing the car's engine first week.
Niggas better run when that Hellcat scratch.
Nah, but I need a crazy car. Like now that I'm finally I got my financing, I'm with the banks and I got the loans with Mercedes. I'm in the door with them and cause the dealership I went to, bro, they got the AMG GTs, they had Porsches, they had G-Wagons, they had the Maybachs, they had the EQS. Bro, that shit was stupid. And now I'm in there. There was like, you said what?
You got a warranty?
Warranty? Yeah, I have like 2 warranties on my car. So they do all the maintenance and stuff.
Yeah.
So they take care of me. But now they like
for the Benzo.
You said what, Jenner?
You said you want to go fast, right?
Oh yeah, I'm trying to go fast, but I want luxury too. But if I have enough money, and I can have multiple cars, I won't care. I'll have cars for each.
So think about it. The C300 you got, bro. That shit's probably like what, like 35, 40?
Yeah, around there.
If you took, for example, like a motherfucking STI or Type R, just some lower class car that's like at that price, and then put that bread into work, you're gonna be up on the road, bro. You feel me?
True. But mind
you put 20K engine work into any car, turning into a beast, bro.
Shit, but if I'm spending 20K, I might as well put 20K on a down payment or something and go get a fucking Lambo.
Nah, I feel you, but I'm talking speed, bro. I'm telling you, Lambos really aren't that fast at the end of the day, bro.
Listen,
they're
bro.
Quick for
that Lambo is gonna do more for you than anything. Because you gotta think of the Lambo. There's a lot of things for Lambo. Car, yeah. But if you got a Lambo, you're meeting people. That's marketing. You're into events now too, and it's an exotic car. It's just, come on, bro. You gonna get the bitches. There's too many upsides.
Nah, but
yeah, he knows what's up.
I'm more of a Ferrari kind of guy.
Ferrari, I want both. I want them all though. I like Bentleys too, like the Bentley Continental that Q Banks got. I need that.
Ferrari that got was one of my dreams. It's Novatec N Largo 812, bro.
Yeah,
I was looking at car ever, bro, and he got that shit. I was like, no way. Like, what the fuck? This nigga has the same taste in cars as me. He got an R34 as well.
And you Jamaican?
Yeah, it's weird, right? I'm
trying to see what size stop loss I should use. I think 40 just to be safe, in my opinion. I don't know though. 30, it's like trying to be real risky, but I think about 40.
You think it's going down 150, 160?
It could ideally. If it does have at least just a retracement, I think it'll be in this area. Even if it's not a long-term move, that's what I'm trying to figure out stop loss so I can get out and take partials before a big-ass move. Because even if we come back down to 12,000, that's still a pretty valid area. But right now, I'm going to see
valid. Damn, do I take it at the 7.9 or off of that?
That's what I'm saying. It's like a big area here, and it's like a big gap.
That is a big-ass stop loss.
That's what I'm trying to think, because it's like there's no real reason to have a stop loss anywhere here besides the fact that it's going to be wide as fuck now.
There's also one more candlestick before 10 on the 15-minute.
Yeah, I'm going to wait. I'm going to just wait till 10. I'm gonna see where we're at 10, and depending on that is probably what I'll do.
Hellcat scratch. Damn, y'all heard they banning EV cars in the UK by 2030?
EV?
Or, I'm sorry,
like
petrol
electric
cars, not.
Yep.
Yeah, no, they're petrol.
2030.
So all gas.
Force it.
Damn, looks like I ain't having a crib out there.
Right, in 8 years, get the fuck out of here.
Andrew Tate, he about to be a menace. He's gonna be like, I'm the only person out here with a gas car. I can see it now.
Man.
That shit wild. Bro, do you know how many people said I was, bro, on my last video, the one I posted yesterday, the reel, I posted on YouTube too, and I got like 1,500 views on it. Bro, I had like 4 or 5 comments all saying I was trying to be like Andrew Tate. I'm like, bro, what?
Damn.
I was like,
really talking to me.
I was like, bro, Andrew Tate wasn't even mentioned. It was just the fact that all of them said it. I was like, maybe it's a good thing. Fuck it. Look, I'm gonna read him. I'm gonna read him, bro.
On here, huh?
Look, I'm gonna read him right now. Look. I was just fucking with him. I did not care. It was like, who the fuck is this guy? I was like, his name is Andre. It was like, man, trying to be Andrew Tate. I was like, who Andrew? I was like, I know Tristan. And then he was like, bro, I love it. It was like, they said you got to be fucking kidding me. I said almost. And then this one said Andrew Tate, but with software update. I said facts. Yo, they said bro's trying to be. They was like bro's trying so hard to be Andrew Tate. I said Andrew Tate's my cousin. And then 2 of them were.
Says that 2.0.
No, I said he's my cousin. I ain't trying to, cause that then it would have affirmed what they were saying. You said what, bro?
The whole funny ass thing about that is, bro, them niggas are making fun of you for trying to be like somebody that's got way more money than them.
Yeah, I was like whole time I'm thinking, I was like, all right, I guess it's a compliment whole time. But the way I was looking at it, I was like, shit. I was looking at it, I was like, damn, whole time I'm making the videos that are getting in front of the people to hate in the first place. So I was like, listen, I'll take it, bro. It's not all attention is gonna be good attention, but it's still attention.
Video games thing is that when you're in the right direction, enemies gonna start popping up.
I like it. Makes me feel like I'm doing something. Cause mind you, if I wasn't getting in enough people's faces for them to even hate or listen to what I was saying in the first place, then you know what I mean. You just gotta. It's all about the way you look at it, perspective.
Your reach has been consistently growing, which is important.
That's why.
If it keeps consistent, it'll turn into exponential growth at some point.
It's all about the consistency over time. Like, I don't have a crazy amount of channel views or channel subscribers, but over time they add up because I'm consistently adding. Same thing with Instagram. I'm not gonna get 100,000 followers overnight, but consistently. Then you have that one big run, one big hit, home run. It's like trading. That brings you a whole bunch of more, and then it's consistent from there. You lose some, you win some. You lose some, you win some. Big one. Lose some, you win some. Big one. You know what I mean? It's all the same concept. Same with the gym. You're not going to be consistent all the time, but you got to strive to be consistent for the most part. You're going to have those days where you don't want to go, you don't go. But it's about then going again tomorrow and keeping the cycle going. All the concepts apply in the same aspects of life, to be honest. Shit, even with a girl. Trying to find a girl that you like, you're going to have some hits, you're going to have some misses, but you're going to eventually find one potentially. Maybe.
You fucking with that one shorty?
Which one?
Oh, shit.
Nah, because, like, honestly, you wouldn't even be able to tell me. That's why I'm saying. Because, like, there's only so much you know. Damn, this one candle's kind of pushing. We still got a little bit of time, too.
I really don't want to get in it before 10 o'clock.
I don't want to either.
Because I know that shit's going to move. Like, it could fuck around.
I think we still have some room to the upside, in my opinion. Just looking at US 30 retracement. I don't know. Rocking a hard place. I'm gonna wait for the candles are starting to lose momentum. I'm gonna see how these next few candles start to close, but I ideally want to get to this high and clear that first before anything.
If you go on the 1 hour, there's a small little imbalance. It's like barely anything, but
You said it's barely anything right here.
yeah, it's around. Yeah, it's around there.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about right here. I might try to go long right in there then. I think that gives it a good area. Right at the 70-50, we cleared a high imbalance. I think that's going to give me the best bet. And if I get in right there, stop loss for about, I think 40 points is going to be valid. Because if it gets that high, it's probably going to touch 200 anyway. And I think that's pretty valid.
We are in a 4 hour imbalance, or there is a big imbalance on the 4 hour that we're inside too. So decent confluence.
I think that's ideally where I'm going to wait for there. And if that doesn't go short, I'll probably just take that 1L and we'll probably just keep bullish, honestly. Like I was saying earlier, but only time will tell.
Oh, starting. But like this the shit I be talking about. I don't want to fucking start playing games like that and just start going down.
Yeah, that's why I'm waiting for the 10 though. So it's cool. Just I'm waiting for 10. Damn, I'm cold as shit, bro. What the fuck? Hold on.
That's how I be feeling in my basement. I'm in the garage right now.
Feels good as hell. I'm outside.
Bro, shit. The weather is getting perfect, bro. Fall is gonna be the best season this year, bro.
Oh my god, bro, it's brick in here.
I'm ready to trade fall, bro.
Bro, facts. I'm ready to trade fall.
I'm ready to go jet skiing in the wintertime. That's what I'm ready for.
They gonna throw your ass back out front, bro. They gonna be like, go home, nigga.
Nah, bro. It's hot all the time here, bro. Be jet skiing in the middle of October.
Yeah. Bro, they got jet ski in the winter?
Yeah.
We be doing that shit out here.
What?
Yeah, bro. It's always summer over here.
Hey, what you gonna have to get used to on there? Look, so y'all probably don't do this, but in Florida we have hurricane parties.
The hell, boy.
Anytime there be hurricanes and shit, I'm saying they should be having hurricane parties.
All right,
well, I seen yesterday and it was like, look up Florida man and then your birthday after it. Bro, that shit was the bid, bro. I looked that shit up, bro. That shit talk about Florida man arrested for giving his girlfriend a wet willy. I was like, yeah, I was like, these niggas really be on anything, bro.
Wet willy.
She called the cops on that nigga.
Nah, that's funny.
Florida man rides manatee, dares police to arrest him.
It's a manatee.
They really got some shit. There's always a Florida nigga though. They always drawing. They got one for everybody's birthday. Like
they probably got something for every state, look.
Shit, probably.
Niggas drawing. But Florida probably the funniest.
Florida is like the best and the worst. You got the best and the worst over here.
Out there, bro.
It's weird.
Like you got the nice beaches, the nice area, but the people.
In Philly, like it's dirty. There's no nice.
Got the governor about to run for president.
Hey,
he really?
If he wins, I think the governor over here good. I don't know. I know the mayor's though. Oh, we valid. We valid then. Yeah, run for president, big dog.
I don't say he didn't came into my restaurant a few times because the dude who owns my restaurant, his dad is the mayor of the city, so he be having like a whole bunch of like high like.
Cal, you gotta get me. You gotta get me a locked in. I'm trying to join the Illuminati.
Hey yo, that Black Rock.
You gotta get me linked in.
I have to.
Yo, I know the mayors. The mayors. Oh yeah, the mayors. They gonna put me in. And once I'm with Trump.
Yo, fuck Trump, bro.
It's go time. He gonna teach me how to make my first $1 billion.
Everybody, I am politically neutral.
So, you are?
Bro, politics, bro.
Shit, I like Trump. I like Trump. I don't really care, but I like Trump.
The whole system is about to get fucked.
Whoever's making me money, that's who I like. If they actually benefit me, then I like them.
They're making self money at the end of the day, bro. Them
nah, Trump be making the market go crazy. He be giving me all this volume, bro.
Nah, this is all blood money. You never know.
Hey, man, fuck it. Wherever it came from, I need it. I need it. I'm gonna
Trying
clean
to
it.
get out this not like.
I'm gonna clean it through. I'm gonna clean it through the fucking
Huh?
through the brokers. That's really what it all is. This money's probably just being cleared through brokers, all back in rotation. Hey, can't beat them, join them.
They said this is the best way to clean money. We can take people's money.
And they give it back to them.
That's some
Menaces,
evil.
menaces, bro. And they take it with interest.
Bro,
Mm-hmm.
the whole job shit too, bro.
Interest.
Talking about they be taking money away for taxes after every paycheck, but then they're taking more than they need to because just in case type shit, bro.
Yeah.
And then that's why you get a tax return.
And then mind you, they're making you work for the stuff that you need anyway. After they're the
Bro,
ones making
they're
it, so the people keep having more babies to keep you in the same cycle. And then they make it so you need money, so you have no choice but to follow this certain path, or you're gonna be homeless and just be on the street, bro. Gotta break
Not
free.
I.
Gotta break
Not
free.
I.
Hey, look, y'all need to know y'all's consumer laws, though. Look up this book called the UCC Connection. It's basically how to like free yourself from the system. Pretty much like you can deregister yourself. Like you can get money back from like all your fucking car notes and shit. You don't have to have a license. You can walk around with a gun and shit.
Oh yeah.
Crazy.
Oh, I
Yeah,
like the
what's
sound
that
of
called?
this. Walk around with my
Yeah, niggas don't know.
It's called the UCC what?
Connection. It's basically all your like consumer laws and everything. And like you shouldn't even begin like paper. You should only begin like paper bills. You shouldn't be doing like wireless because like by law you're technically supposed to be like it's supposed to be a cash transaction, but people won't know that.
Makes sense.
And
Damn.
then you can like fucking like write like basically not have to pay for your phone bills and shit. It's a whole bunch of crazy shit.
Yeah.
Y'all check that shit out.
Society made it. We have to pay for basic human necessities. So it's like, damn, it's a big. There's only so much you could do. You have to follow the game to an extent, but you should only do it for a certain amount of time.
Facts.
Like I don't fault people that work, because if people didn't work, the world wouldn't exist. Nobody would be able to sell you food. Nobody would be able to deliver your packages.
So shit, we won't have doctors, fucking dentists.
So it's like there's winners and there's losers, and that's just what it comes down to. If everyone could win, there wouldn't really be winners. It would just be the new normal. So, hey, worry about yourself, B.
I need a good little Jewish lawyer.
Nah, real shit.
He said a good little Jewish lawyer.
Facts though, they good with that money.
You're gonna be about that check.
I need that check. I need that check.
Come on, bro, just push a little bit higher.
Yeah, it's moving real slow, so we might get that 10 o'clock.
Yeah, I think that's what it's waiting for, bro.
I got mine at the 7-9 though. I'll say fuck it.
You got a limit in? You have a position on?
Yeah. A lot of people are scared to do limits. I'd be saying fuck it. Like if I have
don't
an
like
idea,
it.
I just
Cause it always runs through it, bro. It just always runs through mine. It just doesn't do nothing.
Yeah.
I'm like, all right, bro.
It'll like touch it,
you.
and the broker won't touch it, or it'll just not hit it.
Too many times this happened. I'm just like, all right, I'm cool. It is what it is.
I should be smart and take it off. Makai ain't on here though, huh? I was gonna say
I think it's still holding as long. It's short from gold.
He doesn't want. He doesn't want to hear all our talk.
Well, I put him on this this indicator yesterday that I used for my MetaTrader.
Indicator.
And it's basically like long story
What you
short.
talking about, Willis?
So I've had it for so long, bro. Like I thought it like when I first started trading, it's a supply and demand indicator, but come to find out like years later after learning smart money, like the shit prints order blocks for you.
Right. Look at that. And it's only specific ones.
Well, shit, the order block at least on the 1 hour is like above that high where we got it at. So I mean, it might be a solid little sell.
Let me see. What's your indicator called? Let's test it out. Let's test out his theory.
I'm gonna email it over to you because I emailed it to him.
Email it to me, nigga.
I'll forward it. Also, just check it out. I don't use indicators. I just use it to look at.
You can't email. You can't like Telegram it.
I tried to. It wouldn't.
So you gotta actually download it.
Yeah.
Nah, I don't feel like doing all that. That's cool.
Or that's.
I thought it would have been for like trading view or something. I don't really use anything on trading.
And then, yeah. That's the thing.
MetaTrader is just be that shit looks whack to me. I like the phone one, but I like the way these charts look. It's just way cleaner. Yeah, it looks like a holder.
MetaTrader on the that I've never used that shit on a computer. So
We
confusing.
did tap in the 6-2. Let me see.
We did not 10 o'clock yet, so I think we're just
The only reason I think we'll still go high is because I'm looking at US30. I want US30 to come a little bit higher into these areas. Even though it could hold this 38.20% level, I don't want it to. Oh, but it's coming back below that.
Limo's in.
It should come back up.
Menace.
Limo is in.
Hey, I salute that man.
Yeah, I give him. He's like me. He ain't scared to take the risk. Fuck it. No risk, no reward.
I'm more of a patient trader. You got aggressive traders. I'm just not an aggressive trader.
And he watching the stream, my boy.
Right.
My
got
boy.
it in the corner.
My boy.
Hey, kill it, bro. Kill it.
He heard us and he was listening. He was like, I bet. Bet. They was like, they was saying, I trade watch this. I'm about to.
He's like, fuck it, I'm going to get in early.
Nah, real shit. Hey, I salute you, my boy.
There might be a little push. I got into at the 214 point, or what is it, 12, 114.3?
12, 114?
Yeah, 0.3.
Yeah, that's pretty good. That's around the 62% then, yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna say, hey, 62%. I didn't even go below the 60% on the London continuation type of setup. They didn't even hit that order block. It just kept going at the market open. I was like, fuck.
Where's your stop loss?
50 pips.
50 pips? That's not bad then.
164, 164.4.
It's
It's in the middle of the order block. It's right below the 79% fib. I was thinking about moving it, and I was like, should I take that 1.5% or 2%? I was like, no, I'll just keep it at 1.
It's still a valid trade. It can still play out. It just depends. I just don't like time.
I get stopped out. It is what it is.
The way I'm looking at it though, this daily candle looks real bullish, and I do want it to flip bullish, but I would need a drop first. Ain't no way I'm buying anytime soon. I would at least need to see these lows get ran for me to go long ever. So right now I'm looking to see if we get a possible short after we come up to here, fill this gap in, clear these highs, and going into 10 o'clock with that news, but we'll see. We got 5 minutes, but right now it looks like it's holding this 12,100, so we'll see what happens. If it just drops, I might look around 12,000 or after we clear these lows for long, but doesn't look like I'm going to get what I want just yet.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for mine.
The market's got us on our toes today.
Nah, I got me on my ass. I ain't doing shit. Oh, all right. We're getting a little bit of push going into the open. Come on. A little bit push. Still got 4 minutes on this candle. Just push. Only thing is, I don't want to see this close at doji, because then the likelihood of that next candle being a really big push is going to be a little bit less likely. That's my only thing right now.
Someone's telling me, if anything, push this up 7-9. Put mine on the 7-9 and see how we reject from these levels.
Dum. Slowly but surely. Come on. Right up here. Right in here. We got 3 more minutes till this open. It does look like it's trying to push a little bit higher though, so it does look good so far. My boy got the bong out.
I mean,
I could hear it. I was like, I knew my ears ain't deceiving me. Just hear like in the background, I just hear all bubbles. I'm like, interesting. Somebody's stressed out. Somebody's
this
stressed
my
out.
girl. You left it here.
What up, Brandon?
What's up, bro?
What's good, fam?
Yeah.
We waiting.
Facts. Waiting game right now.
That's so.
What you looking at?
Well, I missed a long on Euro USD London session, but me personally, I am looking to go long on Nas, but
Yeah, that's what I wanted. Right now, it's just too high. I was looking to go long when we were at 12,000. Jenner earlier. That was when we retraced with this one candle. That would have been a great entry, but it wasn't promising at the time.
But like, bro, like we said, we got 1 minute. We're about to see what's gonna happen. You feel me? Like,
yeah, I wanted to go short right at this gap up here, but we'll see what happens right now.
it's dropping a little bit right now.
Oh, damn, bro.
the only reason I would not go long on Nas is if it tapped into the 6-hour supply that caused the breaker structure to the downside.
Where's that at, price wise?
That's 6 hours.
Yeah.
Where's that at, price wise?
CP1, I'm about to move stop loss break even.
Good
12,136.
12,136. Yeah.
Yeah, there's a small imbalance right there. That's actually kind of where I was looking for.
That's yeah, right here. I was looking at 145. All right, we all got a similar around there. Same area. That could be good or bad, so we will see.
All right, sign of weakness, change of character. Now I need a manipulation to confirm this is
Ooh, break even trade,
bearish.
guys. Good feeling.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
We'll see. Once we come back to 12,000, I'll see how we react. But I don't know. I want to see them lows get ran at this point.
I'll sell to you, Andre.
I'll think about it. I'll think about it.
I'm just kidding, bro. Shit.
I'll think about it. Get this shit off, bro. Yeah, I didn't like the way US 30 was looking either. I want US 30 to come a little bit higher.
Still want to see a short-term high taken out now, and then reject with a fair value. Then I'll go short. I'll feel safe for short, but this could be a manipulation move.
It's all manipulation. It's always manipulation.
Right. It's always manipulation.
Oh God, bro. I know sometimes I have like structurally sound trades and I just look at how the candles move. I'm like, bro. I'll just talk to the market. I'll be like, man, you and I both know that this is complete bullshit right now. You're just fucking manipulating me here.
Shit, I feel you, bro. And it's like, damn, bro. Why you do
Am
that?
I really? While it's going in the opposite direction.
Like, it's been times where it's like taking me out to the exact like pip entry to stop loss, and I'm like, ain't nothing even. I just look at it. I'm like, all right, just surrender, bro. Just surrender. I'm like, all right, bro, you got it. I ain't even gonna argue with you.
We're about to get off the charts.
Oh shit, and it's like, all right. Then it pushes you right direction. I'm like, all right. It's just playing with me. But nah, that's why I haven't taken a trade in like 2 days. I just surrendered during these times.
All we do is just go number one. Yo, Andre, did I show you my strap?
The Glock. I seen the story. You ain't
I think
show
you
it.
posted, yeah.
I seen the story.
I had to take that shit down. I was litty.
I was like, bro, posted in the crib with the Glock on his lap watching TV. I'm like, yeah, he a true menace.
He said, "Run up on me. Find me
True
today.
menace.
Newly
That
strapped."
shit, nah, that was first day with the strap though. I was definitely feeling myself.
Nah, I
That shit
feel
was
you,
lit.
bro. I feel
Hey,
you.
at least you wasn't one of them niggas like you had like one of the little buttons or stickers on.
Like this.
Newly strapped. Rookie aim.
Nah, bro. I was bust. I bust that John already. That's why I decided to buy that specific model.
I'm about to
I
set
fuck with how
a
that
sell
John
limit.
shoot.
No recoil.
Okay.
Bro, it's so bad, bro.
Oh, it is bad.
So it's a heavy as a bang. You feel me?
Yeah.
That shit's a fanny pack body.
I'm about to put a sell limit.
You don't think it's coming back up?
I do. Up here though. That's where I have my sell limit. The fair value gap. I'm thinking that's gonna be a valid area for me. And if that doesn't play out, then it is what it is. I'm using a 40-point stop ideally. So stop loss be a little bit close to 200, but I'll probably cut it short if it really starts to push before that. Yeah, right above here. This is ideally what I'm looking at. Something like this.
Here you go. I just needed to come up a little bit higher.
Even if we just retrace back to 12,000, that's valid. But ideally, I want to see these lows. That'll give me about a 1 to 4.5, which will be, if it plays out, it'll be valid. But only time will tell. 10 o'clock volume wasn't really the best in my opinion, so we'll see. I put a hard TP at TB5, just in case this happens really fast or something. You never know.
Somebody said on Twitter, "I wish buying weed built your credit."
I built respect with the dealer. That should be good enough.
Bro, my shit would have been
He
800.
said, "Respect to the dealer."
Oh, shit, like come on, bro.
He's the bid for that.
If the dealer
Y'all
trusts me,
can pay
you
your
should
rent
trust me.
and build your credit that way too. I don't know if y'all knew that. But.
Yeah. Phone bill too.
Yeah, anything residuals on a card for me.
Yep. It's like US 30. Look at US 30.
You know it gets hot in Florida when they got sprinklers on the roof. What the fuck?
What?
Yeah, me.
Sprinklers like on the roof.
It's to keep them cool.
Yeah.
Ooh.
That's how you know it get hot.
Yeah, that Florida heat. Yeah.
At least it's not like Cali. Cali's just dry.
Yeah, that dry weather be killing me, especially when I'm out in Vegas, bro. I be getting ashy as fuck.
It's really gonna drop. I hope not. I'm trying to get in.
Right now, I'm just chilling. I'm not really expecting much.
I still need. I got a sign of weakness and change of character. I'm looking for like a short-term high and then a break of a market structure or a low. That's if we do reject from this area.
I don't know. I feel like if we wanted to, we would have kept going. It's possible. Like, as soon as we came to 62%, we kind of just dropped.
Yeah,
it's gone. It's gone.
Similar to what happened earlier.
It's making like a stepstone down. Like, you feel me? It's like taking its time. So I don't know if it's gonna want to run up and run the liquidity that it's leaving up there before it drops, which is why I'm waiting. But it could just sell off from the 62 for.
Yesterday's move happened so early. I did find there was a way you could got back into it safely.
I managed to catch a good amount of that move.
Yeah, I saw. I think Brandon, you caught that yesterday too, huh?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, it was pretty textbook, I'm not gonna lie.
Don't you love when it's textbook?
I knew everybody who bought on the 9:30 open got fucked, so yeah.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, at 7 o'clock or the open of New York session, we've only been pushing bullish. So normally that's just a sign of manipulation once we push in one direction. And we've already cleared the Asia highs too. Yeah, it's definitely gonna come down today. At least take out that low.
It's just going about it. It's so weird.
I would say more than likely all these 1 minute, like the stepping stone you were talking about, is probably just inducing sellers so that
Oh
they
yeah,
can.
it is. It is. That's why I said I want to see some manipulation before anything. Before I confirm this, because right now it's just making lower lows as if it's going lower.
Right. That's why I'm waiting for it to pop back up. But like it might not go back above that 62 drop, like where it started off.
I don't know. I think it could, but I mean, we are around like a bank level too. We're at 12,100.
Yeah. Am I watching? Am I waiting? On anyone?
Yeah, right now it's looking like shit.
Interesting.
Brad being some little weirdos about it.
Oh, really? Just
It's like holding.
watch it.
It's like staying in the same spot.
Right.
That's why I'm kind of just like looking away so time goes a little bit faster.
Yeah, it's inducing sellers right now. Let me see if we got some news coming up or anything today. I didn't even check.
No, we don't.
We got FOMC in like 2 hours, or an FOMC member, and at 1 my time. So 2 y'all's time. Orange and yellow folder, nothing crazy, but could be, just to get some. everything's starting to kind of look green on the heat map, low key.
Green. Yeah, right now
Just making lower lows.
it's not giving me any opportunities.
And honestly, where it's rejecting isn't a bad area. Hey, so on the 30-minute, if this candle closes below and closes below these last two bullish candles, most likely gonna potentially switch bearish, but it's gonna have to break that low if it wants to continue. So I'm thinking if we do happen to push from this area.
Part of me wants to still look bullish.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. I was like, I want to, but I don't know.
Thinking around this general area, something like that. 12,000 area, maybe a little bit lower. Cause we didn't get that gap, so I don't know. It's rocking a hard place, but like I said earlier, higher time frame, I still wanted to see a potential push in price. We keep coming down to 12,000. I think around there we might get something. But if not, I'm giving it like 20, 30 more minutes and I'm done. I'm tired of the charts already.
Green. It's just hella cloudy all day. Y'all follow ICT on Twitter?
You said who?
No.
ICT.
He made his Twitter.
Oh yeah, he's had a Twitter. This nigga, he be tweeting all the time. He just said 38696 looks juicy. He's talking about on S&P.
It's for short.
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
All right. Yo, send that Twitter over, nigga.
It's
Is this his name? Like Michael?
it's ICT, but it's underscores in between everything. I had watched one of his videos yesterday, and he was talking about. He's like, "Yeah, I'm on Twitter all the time." He was like, "I shouldn't be on Twitter because I tweet so much."
I thought he deleted his Twitter.
Now he has one.
Interesting.
No, I didn't find it. Fuck it, I'll do it later.
Yeah, he has 104K followers.
I am. He might have reactivated it or something. That's what
He's
I think
actually
it is. Yeah, price is shitting. Shitting.
Okay. That's what I want to see. I'm looking more to go short around like the 12,100 area, 1295. Now because it bottomed out right there. If it does come back up.
Yeah, it looks like he's already short on S&P.
I was in a TP at TP2, take it off, book a position, but it missed my TP by like 4 pips. So I'm gonna wait for it to just kind of trickle down a little longer.
Yeah, let's just give it some time. What was I looking for? Yeah, it's been a fun day. to say the least. It's been a fun day to say the least.
Some bullshit.
It's not looking like
Okay.
much right now. It's already going into 10:30, so it's like not really looking like something I'm gonna take. Better
this
out.
is okay.
Unless we maybe
I
drop a
think-
little bit lower, but as of right now.
Unless this candle flips, bro, it'd be sick.
I'm still waiting for a manipulated run on liquidity. And then a break to the downside.
Sometimes they do take long though. Like I really haven't seen the volatility step in yet.
Bro, my photos take up 137 gigs on my phone.
God damn.
Bro, Jesus
Greater life.
Christ.
Nigga, you got like 3 more gigs left.
Nah, I have 0 left. I have 0 left, bro.
Yeah.
The 130. Damn.
Whenever I was doing like network marketing heavy back in the day, bro, like I used to shoot videos all the time. So like anytime I would fuck up, I would just start over. Like it don't matter how far into the video I was, I just start over. And nigga, I'd have like videos on deck just having to go through and delete the motherfuckers.
You're crazy.
So fucking decisive right now.
All right, I just bought more gigs. Now I have 2 terabytes. I can't do 200 no more. I couldn't, bro. It was
You
full.
bought more iCloud storage?
Yeah.
Hey, more the merrier.
It's not even buying it. It's monthly. You pay monthly for it.
Right, bro.
I remember when I used to have like fucking 4. Then I had to get 50. Then I had to get 200. Now I'm at 2 terabytes. I don't know what's next.
Gotcha.
I don't know what's next. I'm gonna just have to buy. I'm gonna just start using this phone next. I'm gonna start using this one now. I'm gonna just have to switch phones at that
They gonna
point.
start hitting you with them Call of Duty updates, nigga.
Bro, they gonna look. They gonna be like, here.
This shit gonna be like 20 gigabytes next.
They gonna be like, here, you gotta buy this separately. This is your external hard drive that comes with all your space, but you keep this at home and you can charge your phone on it. That's how they gonna be. Watch, I can see that. Apple gonna start waxing. They're gonna start waxing them boys. Damn, I need some food, bro.
Facts. Bro, all the food around here is ass though. That's the thing.
Oh, we getting a push
They
on your
just
30.
opened.
You said they just opened a what?
He's on Bustleton. And then they're bringing Raising Cane's here as well.
Raising Cane's.
Yeah.
Hey, y'all, for the 1 minute at that high, does that look like a swing high to like take out that low?
Where, this one?
1 minute.
On the 1 minute, yeah.
Oh, I hear a Lambo. I can hear it outside. Loud as shit. You can just tell the difference from an exotic car and someone with a loud muffler, though. It's just beautiful.
The V10, V12, nigga, that shit crazy.
Nah, real shit, bro. Like yesterday, what was it, a day or 2 ago? I was driving and then just like a McLaren pulled up next to me. Not even, it was one of them newer ones. I don't know the model. It's not a 720. It's not a 5. It's not a 570S. Nothing. It was one of the newer, expensive ones, and it had like the rally livery. And that boy, that boy got back.
Was it the Senna?
Yeah. No, not the Senna.
Hey, drop to that 1 minute real quick. I want to see what you think.
Been staying on the 1 minute on my phone for real.
So you see that high? Now, would you have considered any of these, well, the lows before any of that, like an actual like lower low or like a low? Like that low right
Maybe
before
this
that
one.
high?
Or this one.
No,
right
not
here.
that one. The one right above.
What, like these?
Now go down to the left.
These?
That high, that low right before that high, that last high,
This one.
right before that to the
This
left.
one.
Yeah, that.
It could have, because this came in, filled in that gap right here.
Because that's what I was looking like. I was like, damn, maybe the
And then
short
from
happened
there,
right
look
there.
at kind of. It could have. It has like this little head and shoulder type shit too. Type shit. Right there.
Type shit.
I don't know.
And it rejected.
It could, but
And it
right now
came
it's
back
looking.
into that fair value gap.
Right now, I think it's probably gonna come higher, especially because US30 is
I
about to
think
create a
so
new
too.
high.
I think so.
I might just give
It's
it
funny.
to. Oh fuck! I'll be back. Never mind. Stay here, boys. Hold on, I'll be back, bro. Remember,
Bring
Jenner?
your phone, bro, just in case.
Nah, bro, it's cool. I'm not gonna be that long.
Yeah, ICT had tweeted, he's like the session highs look kind of sus.
Or what's his fucking
Yeah, I'll send it to
underscore in the first one in front of the I?
you. No, it's I underscore am underscore the underscore ICT. This thing says the ghost in the machine.
Yeah, right now. Can't find it.
You said you can't?
Can't find it, yeah.
Yeah, I said,
PM me. So
Makai up now, so now he he's starting to trade more. uh, Good legs yesterday.
Same.
Chest and or back and buys.
gold's going up.
I
We should
got
be
back and yeah,
we
back and
should be
all,
squatting, Cal.
back and shoulders.
We should be squatting, Cal.
Shit, I don't be squatting no more. When I was in high school, I squatted 420.
God damn.
That was my junior year though, and then after my senior year, I just kind of stopped. I did weight team, but they didn't do squats and all that. They only did like clean and jerks and then bench press. But
Jeez.
shit, I was supposed to go to state for weightlifting, and it was funny because I was the only one in the county that went to state, and the same day I had prom, so I ended up going to prom instead.
This guy.
Now I'm here.
Now you're here instead of the Olympics.
Yeah, pretty much. Or I could be in the NFL. Oh, shit, you never know.
How tall are you?
5'8". Probably I'm like 5'7.5". You know, I say 5'8" though.
Yeah, bro, you got that fucking I would say people, I mean, I'm pretty tall, so I'll just say shorter people like are usually stronger in that regard. I had this
Yeah.
homie who was like 5'4", and that man could fucking deadlift 500 with no problems.
It's crazy. Yeah. So there's this dude who is actually it was the same county. Well, no, it was a different county, but long story short, nigga was like, we were both in the same weight class. We're in the 135 weight class, and bro was pause benching 315. He did it for you get 3 tries. He did it for his first one and just stopped. He didn't even do anything else. I did 285. I thought I was gonna get that.
Damn, bro. That's crazy. You were
But he ended,
105, bro, fucking squatting 420 pounds.
yo,
That shit is crazy.
and I got skinny ass legs, but they're like genetics. But my dad, like he was a sprinter and athletic. Like all my family, my dad's side's athletics.
Damn.
Yeah, work in that gym.
Yeah,
For real.
like I'm like naturally just like toned, and I don't know, it's weird. Like I don't have to work out much, but like I can leave the gym for like 2 months and come back like I never left. It's weird, but I'm not doing that.
So what'd you be doing for legs?
Uh, since I don't really be squatting like that. I do the little leg press machines, and then they have like this little quad like thing where you like do your legs like
Oh,
this,
yeah.
and those I do like the little calf raises, and I do like some glute workouts too. I try to stuff it all into one day, so I don't got to do legs anymore the rest of the week. Let's see, manipulation of a high. Let's see if it runs this low or if it keeps pushing up. If it runs this low, I'm gonna wait for a retrace to go fair value. Mm. So you know how I had sent you ICT's little Twitter, so he had tweeted because this nigga really do be tweeting. He was talking about US 500. He said it can be defined as a buy and short with his concept, and he says not high probability. Because it's funny because Andre was looking for the longs, which I was assuming too, but since retail's short, really we could come up here in short. So I see what he means. Kind of back and forth.
Nazi Osborne.
Run it. Run it up. Run it up.
It's really whatever happens first. You on here, Makai?
I don't think so.
Who's iPhone?
Yeah, no, he's not here.
It's me, Martin.
Oh, what up? What up? What up? You sounded different for a second.
Nah, man, I just be turning off the mute button because my dog could get loud, so I don't want to be on the background.
You good, Brody?
Trading on the job. I used to do the same shit.
Mm-hmm.
They would get so mad at me. Bro, they would get so mad at me for doing that shit. I'm like, bro, I'm making way more money than what the fuck y'all pay me, so get off my thing.
Mm-hmm.
I work for my
Let 'em
family,
know.
so I got my tablet set up, and I got my iPhone like on like a arm hanger off my desk, so it's kind of like suspended in air. Kind of got a little setup going on over
He
here.
big chilling.
Yeah, just chilling, working, bro. I've been doing this shit for 10 years, so it's time to. I grew a business, bro. We got employees. It's we've been in business
Yeah.
for 10 years, shit. So it's
That's
time
what's up.
to run up these markets.
Oh yeah, reinvest into the business.
Fucking facts, bro. I'm getting my brother. He sits next to me. He watches Andre's videos. He's gonna join his mentorship eventually too. So I was just like, bro, like this is one foot that you're gonna want to like, like put your money where your mouth is. This you pay Andre, bro. You're gonna have a like a like a partner for life, man. Eventually, because then that knows like, hey, man, he's willing to invest the money, put in the time, eventually become funded. Like, yo, he's about it.
Hmm. He already dropped his course, didn't he? Or he hasn't dropped it yet?
Not yet. Not yet, bro. I remember when he was creating it, like he had like 70 slides, and he sent it to me like a year and a half ago. He's like, "Hey
Damn.
man, just check, look it over, make sure it's good." And I was like, "Yeah, bro, it looks good." I gave him some recommendations. So, but he's solid, bro. He has all the stuff that you would expect to see in a like a smart money concept uh
Oh,
course instead of just like patterns and stuff. He gives you like it's a good course.
yeah, raw. That's what's
It
up.
would speed anybody's journey, bro. Whoever wants to learn about it, like a beginner, like they'd be like said they'd be ready to like be funded in like within 2 years time after just going straight into that course probably.
It's funny. I think I ran into him on Instagram and I found his YouTube channel. I was like, oh shit. I was like, bro, really doing it out here. I just joined the community and shit.
Heck
That's
yeah,
I'm
crazy.
like, shit, niggas really out here trading. And that's why I like to see.
hell yeah.
You just found him randomly on the gram.
Yep.
That's sick.
That's fucking
Bro, I
tight,
gotta
bro.
tell you, remember when he created the fucking YouTube? Like, I was like, nigga, do that. Like, yo, that's really crazy. He got reach
Y'all was
now.
at Chick-fil-A together. Shit. Y'all was there.
Bro, we used to be fried in that bitch. This
My
was really
blood shit.
hey,
Are you
bro.
guys doing any channels?
Uh,
Person.
YouTube channels?
I have a few, but I have one for like music and I have one for like me and my
Oh,
girl.
that's
We
what's
do
up.
travel vlogs and shit, but that's about it.
That's what's up, bro. That's gonna pay out eventually. Just keep posting 1%. You know, like going.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I do
It's
not
just
have it.
nice just to.
About to do a vlog this month in Costa Rica.
No way, dude.
Yeah,
Put your link in the Telegram and I'll fucking sub.
for sure. Let's say we did one in DR last year, then we did one in Cancun. But we've had our channel for like shit 8 years or so. I don't know. We've been doing videos for a minute.
How old are you?
I'm 26, about to be 27 this month.
All right, you kind of old.
I know I'm the old head.
And why tell you
Crazy.
hell?
I
Bro, I'm
remember when I
30.
was y'all's
Shit.
age.
He
Yo.
said back in my day, ass nigga.
We used MetaTrader 2.
That's crazy.
Meditator 2, what the fuck?
No way, bro.
Did they even have a fucking Meditator 2?
It's the logical assumption since we're on 5 now.
Makes sense, right?
I'm about to say, like, who
He
was a
said
med
logical
one
assumption, damn.
before?
Fucking, I know the Meditator 4, bro. I started with Meditator 4, but thinking about just a Meditator 3 or 2, this like I didn't even
Yeah.
think of that.
Them niggas was in the Stone Age.
Those are the motherfuckers like
That shit still ain't
trading
moved, bro.
commodities like corn
Let me
and
see
shit.
if that's a real thing.
Ain't shit.
I
Was
mean,
there a
I low
MetaTrader
key
3?
guys, I low key hopped in for the cell when it tapped into the 72.
Oh, MetaTrader 2 was a real thing. Damn.
Oh
Damn.
wow, okay. That's back in the what,
I mean, it
two
makes sense, I
thousand
guess.
ninety?
Hide the truth from us.
I miss. What I miss, bro?
Not shit.
Nothing.
MetaTrader 2 was real.
Damn. That means 3 was real.
Yep.
Yep.
So there is
No,
a
for
one.
real.
There is a one then.
The
Yeah.
first MetaTrader must have been revolutionary.
Open source, bro. Just
It
like anything else
was.
that's open source, like
Yeah.
the world will hand like pick it up.
You was 30 had the move I was
Wikipedia,
looking for.
open source. OBS, open source. Everything that's open source, bro, and it has the utilities and tools. Not like you would compare it to like Microsoft compared to like Apple. Apple's like closed source. It's from the manufacturing to the design to everything, the store layout, everything. Chip manufacturing is all done at Apple facilities. But when you have something that's open source and you can get creative people to fucking be creative and grow it in unexpected ways, that's that's revolutionary, evolutionary.
Nah, what I'm about to do, I'm probably not gonna take nothing today. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just leave this year for y'all. When you done, just when you text me when the last person hop off, and I'll just come end
Okay.
it. Nah, yeah, I ain't
Right?
take nothing. You already had to move. Like if you see, it's already pushing. So
Yeah.
this could end up falling, and if it does, It just looks like ass right now. I ain't gonna lie.
It can go either way, honestly. It could still, sell to buy. It could buy to sell.
This is better to be out. If anything, I'll just wait till tomorrow and it'll give me a clear view. Cause right now, we could end up just being a doozy for all I know. To reverse tomorrow.
Yeah, I risk free, but I'm just not gonna do anything. I'm sitting on my hands now. If it hits TP, it hits TP. If it hits SL, it hits SL. Be back tomorrow.
Nah, facts. That's what I'm about to do. So I'm about to be off here. I'm gonna talk to y'all boys tomorrow.
All right,
man. Later.
All right, Bruce. I'm gonna talk to y'all. Just one of you just text me when the last person hop off.
You got my number, but you haven't texted me. So just text me so I have your number.
All right, bro. I got you. But all right, I'll talk to y'all.
All right.
Wait.
I'm thinking.